In this tutorial, let's go step by step through all the notes in Señorita. So let's start right at the beginning. We are starting with a second finger, a first finger on the A string, low 2 on A, 1, A, 1, low 2, A, 1 on D, 2 on A, 1 on A, 3 on D, and then again 1, 2, 1, A, 1, exactly the notes like that we had before, and then we play 2, 3, 1. So instead of 2A, 1, we play 2, 3, 1 this time. 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. So here we have 2, 2, 2, 2. So all low 2s. Repeating, so twice that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Regular 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, A, 3, A. So let's play that very slowly, what we had so far. Then we are getting to the part where the male voice starts singing. He sings da 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 da. So it starts with 1 on D. D, 1, D, 3. 1, D, 1, D, 3 on G. High 2, 1 on G. 1 on G. 1 on D, D, 1 on D, D, 3 on G. 1 on D, D, 1 on D, low 2 on D, 1 on D, A, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1. G, 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 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, G, 1. So in total, 1, D, 1, D, 3 on G. 1, D, 1, D, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, D, 1, D, 3 on G. 1 on D, low 2, G, 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 4, 4, 4. Alternatively, 4 can be replaced with a 0, so open D string. 3, 2, G, 1. Now we are continuing. I believe that now the female voice is starting. And it is singing the same melody, but then 1 octave higher. So now we are moving to the A string, the 4th finger. We are now to 25th bar. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, low 2. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1, A. 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4. Okay, 4, 3, 4. I said 4, 3, 3. Okay, so let's start again with the female voice. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1, A. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, E, open E. Low first finger, E3, low 2, A4, 4, 4, 3 on D, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 on A, 3, 3. And now it starts with the part, I love it when you, da 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 da. 1, 2, A. And actually this is exactly the same as in the beginning. So you've already learned this part. 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, A, 3, low 2, low, low 2 on A, low 2 on D, low 2 on D, low 2 on A, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3. And after that, this part is repeating itself. You can see it by the repetition sign. So first of all, you can see the first time that if you go to bar 33, here you can see a repeat sign. You play from bar 33 all the way until bar 40, until bar 40. So all the way until you see the 1, and then you play still the bar that is under the 1. Then you can see there's a repeat sign again after the last bar on the page. So that would be after the 1 that is placed there. After that bar where there's the 1 above, you go back to the repeat sign in bar 33. Then you play again all the way until bar 39. This time you don't play the part that is under the 1, you play instead the part that is under the 2. So now let's go to the part that is under the 2. So we go to bar 41, 2, 1, 2, 1, A, 3, 4. Now that was the end of the refrain, the chorus. Now let's go to locked in, this part that is being sung. 1 D, 1 D, 3, 1 D, 1 D, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1 D, 1 D, 3, 1 D, 1, 2, 1 D, G, 1, 1, 1, 1, G, 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 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, G, 1. So this is again exactly the same as that you have played before in bar 22. So bar 20, 20 until 24. So this part you can already do. And now is a new part in bar 50. 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, D, 3 on G. So this is like a small scale downward. The scale in C major. So that would be a useful scale to practice when you are working on this song. Or the scale in A minor would also be useful. Okay, so now let's go back to that. 4, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, bar number 50. 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, D, G, 4, 1, 3, 2. Low second finger, regular older fingers. 4, 1, 3, 2, 1, D, 3 on G, 1 on D. After that in bar 53 again, the same part is repeating itself that we have played before. I love it when you da da da. So just the main part of the song. So we are repeating that. And you can find earlier in the video what notes are. I can sing them right now when playing, so you can remember. 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, And again. 2, A, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, A, 3, 4 on D or open A. Now let's have a look at bar number 71. This is again a new part. We are starting in bar 70, the last two notes of bar 70, that is where it starts with. And it goes like this: A, 1, low 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3. Then it's repeating. A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. And then in the end we are playing instead of 3, 3, 3, we are playing A, A, A. So we have the first time A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 in the end. Second time, same. A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This time A, A, A. And then A, 2, A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 3. So then again the 3, 3, 3 end. So it is 3 times the same. First time we are playing 3, 3, 3 in the end. Then A, 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 and then 3, 3, 3. Okay, let's continue at bar 76. 1, 3, 3, 3 again. Okay, after that, bar number 78. Here is the end of the song. And again, it is the chorus of the song. So it is again the same as before. So I will play it once when saying the notes to be sure that everybody actually knows all the notes of the song, even if you cannot read sheet music. Okay, let's try from the beginning. Low 2, A, 1. Low 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, A, 3, 4. So that is the note of the entire song for those of you who cannot read notes. So now let's go over how to practice the song. First of all, listen to the song a lot. The notes are, the rhythm is quite difficult, but if you know the song well, then the rhythm is not going to be as difficult anymore. So listen to it a lot so that you can feel where you have to play which notes. This would be really hard to do just by reading sheet music. It's a lot easier just to do it by ear, by listening to the song so often that you just know how it goes. Next to that, what can you practice? First of all, I recommend to practice it in parts. This song is pretty large, it's a pretty long song. The notes are not extremely hard, but it's still a lot of notes to remember. So I would practice it in parts, and each day just take like maybe one part out of it, maybe one of the parts that I have discussed in this video, and practice only that and repeat it. Actually, a lot of the parts are returning later in the song, especially the chorus. It's coming back and it's coming back and it's coming back. So if you've learned, for instance, the beginning part of the song, then you will notice that each time it is returning. So it's not as long as it looks. On first sight, the notes, it's a lot of notes on the sheet music, but in the end it is not as much, considering that so many notes are repeating itself. And now a little bit on how to play it. Well, I would suggest you are adding a lot of slurs, so connecting two notes with each other, so two note slurs. So instead of playing, I would say you connect them with two note slurs. Connect. I think the slurs sound pretty nice, and especially in this part. think it sounds nicer to connect some notes together on one bow stroke as opposed to... It sounds more subtle. I would also say this part. I would say that you make the notes short, in bar 33 for instance, the quarter notes, as opposed to short. So stop the bow before the ending of the note, so that is ti, di, do, 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 instead of ti, di, do, 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 do. I think it fits the song better. So practice those short bowings and practice playing slurs, so playing the bowing as legato. Let's have a look at the song. What else would be interesting to have a look at? Well, I think that is the most important things. The other thing that you can do, if you wish, is to add the beginning part, the pizzicato part, of the part where you hear the instrument ti, 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 ti. You can play that along. You can also play that can actually be pretty fun, and then you start bowing. I personally have started the song by I Love It When, but you can also add the pizzicato part before that if you wish. I actually added it to the sheet music, so if you want, you can start there. You can also start by I Love It When, and in that case you would start in bar number 8 and you start on the 4th notes. So the 4th notes of the bar is a B, first finger on the A string. That is where you would start on the moment that you start exactly at the place where I start. And the reason why I start there is that if you use the backing track that I showed in the other video that another creator made, I think that it is very useful that you can start the backing track and then get your violin ready during the pizzicato part, during the plucking part, and then start playing on the moment that the song starts. Because of course you cannot click the play button and then directly start playing. So that is just a very practical reason that I suggest that most of you would start there, especially if you are looking to play with the backing track. But if you're not looking to do so, and if you just want to learn the song by yourself, you can of course add the pizzicato part. And that part is exactly the same as the ending of the song. So the beginning and the ending are the same. So if you want to add that, you can just add the ending to the beginning as well, basically. Just have a look at the notes. And I also added the tabs for those of you who cannot read notes. So you can see exactly which notes, like where the fingers are on which strings. And you can review also the beginning and play that part if you wish to do so. Also, there's a great function on YouTube. It's called slow down or something like that. You can click on the settings button below this video and then adjust the speed of the video. That can be extremely useful, also when playing with the backing tracks and you want them to be a little bit slower. So that's all from me for this day. Thank you so much for watching and for following along with practicing Señorita on the violin. I hope you enjoyed it and looking forward to see you next week in my next tutorial. Bye bye!